Click on the link below to get price. The PowerSmart 2500 watt Portable Inverter Generator, model PS5020W, represents a convenient solution for those in need of portable power. Designed with the outdoor enthusiast in mind, it offers a blend of functionality and efficiency that caters to various power needs, whether during camping trips, tailgating events, or in situations where home backup is required. At the heart of this generator is its inverter technology, which allows it to produce clean and stable power. This feature is particularly beneficial for sensitive electronics, such as laptops and mobile devices, as it minimizes the risk of potential damage from power surges. With a rated output of 2,500 watts and a peak output of 3,000 watts, the generator is capable of powering multiple small appliances simultaneously, making it a versatile tool for both recreational and emergency applications. One of the standout features of the PowerSmart PS5020W is its relatively quiet operation. Many users appreciate the low decibel rating, which makes it a suitable choice for campgrounds and residential areas where noise restrictions may apply. This quiet feature allows for a more pleasant outdoor experience, enabling users to enjoy nature without the disruptive hum of traditional generators. The generator is also compliant with EPA and CARB regulations, ensuring that it meets environmental standards for emissions. This compliance is an important consideration for environmentally conscious consumers, as it aligns with efforts to reduce pollution and promote cleaner energy solutions. In terms of portability, the PowerSmart PS5020W is designed with a lightweight frame and integrated handles, making it easy to transport. Whether moving it from the garage to the backyard or loading it into a vehicle for a camping adventure, its manageable size and weight make it a practical option for on-the-go power. Operating the generator is straightforward, with user-friendly controls that allow for easy startup and maintenance. It features a fuel tank that provides several hours of run time, depending on the load, which is an essential factor for extended use. Additionally, maintenance indicators help users keep track of oil levels and other important operational metrics. In conclusion, the PowerSmart 2500 watt Portable Inverter Generator PS5020W offers a balanced combination of power, portability, and quiet operation. Its features make it suitable for a variety of applications, whether for recreation or emergency preparedness. For those seeking a reliable source of portable power, this model presents a thoughtful option worth considering.